ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 24, ஸ்லோகா 4. ததோஸ்ய பிரஹ்லாதः சமஜனீசுதோ கர்ப்பவசதௌ முனேர்வீணாபாணேः அதிகத பவத்பக்திமகிமா स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुः अपि समेत्य त्वयि रतिं गतः त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्. Word by word meaning. Hey Varada, O bestower of boons. Tataha, then. Asya, to him. Hiranyakashipu. Garbha vasatau, while in the womb itself. Veena panehe, punehe, from the sage with the veena, Narada. Adhi gata, bhavad bhakti mahima, who had learnt the glory of devotion to thee. Prahladaha, Prahlada. Sutaha Samajani was born as the son. Saha vai, he indeed. Jatya, Daityaha, Shishuhu, api. Though by birth an asura, and only a child, Tvai, towards thee. Ratim, Sametya, attaining intense love. Tvad Bhaktanam, among thy devotees. Paramodaharanatam, Gataha, became the most outstanding example. Full meaning. O bestower of boons, to Hiranyakashipu was born as son Prahlada, who had learned the glory of devotion to thee from sage Narada while in the womb itself. Though by birth an asura and a mere child, he had intense love for thee and became the most outstanding example for all thy devotees. Note: when Hiranyakashipu had gone for penance, Indra carried away his wife Kayadhu with the object of destroying the child in her womb. Narada, who met him on the way, got her released and took her to his hermitage. There he imparted the paths of devotion and knowledge to her with the child in her womb in mind. As a result, Prahlada became a great devotee even at birth. See Bhagavata Skanda 7, Chapter 7, verses 1 to 16. Om Tat Sat.